Welcome to YLC, the Young Leaders Committee that promotes and grows youth leadership that ensures the future leaders lead from today by educating and inspiring them to soar higher and higher.
Welcome to YLC, the Young Leaders Committee, the platform that deserves to educate, enlighten, inspire, and see young people in leadership from their youth. Young people, your leadership begins from today. Do not wait for tomorrow. We said in the last session that tough times in life and in leadership are inevitable. They will surely come. You are now acquainted with what tough issues are. That should help to mitigate their impacts on you and their power to challenge your leadership. Tough issues can be stepping stones to greatness or obstacles that impede progress and advancement. It depends on you. Your resilience, determination, and readiness for such issues and other things. Be positive in your outlook about tough issues and circumstances. Tough issues are not all negative. Some are positive. Some are even caused by leaders for their progress and advantage. For example, a leader can decide and embark on a long, lonely, or difficult stretch of work in order to make much more. This could be a tough issue a leader has self-imposed for greater results. Tough issues have their sources and strengths. Therefore, have a good knowledge of their sources to be able to brace up to face them squarely and successfully. For example, a good knowledge of their sources can help leaders to avert them. On the other hand, a good knowledge of their strengths will equip leaders to confront them or weaken their impact on the leaders or their organizations. Having a good grasp of what makes an issue tough is halfway to surmounting that issue. Today, in this episode, we are looking at understand their sources and strengths. Understand their sources and strengths. Let's go further on the sources of tough issues. Tough issues come from within or from outside the leader. They may be caused by the leader, others, or situations and circumstances. Tough times are relative. That is, what a particular leader finds as tough might not be to another. This may be because one is better equipped, alerted to its coming, and prepared to tackle it. How much knowledge a leader has may be the determinant of how hard or simple the leader finds a particular challenge. When an issue catches a leader off guard, that leader might face some stress before stabilizing to confront the challenge, if ever he succeeds. Your attitude, temperament, and attributes determine or affect how you approach the issues of life or leadership. A tough issue in your career might be as a result of an issue at home you failed to settle or couldn't tackle before going to work. Your emotional state is a dominant determinant of how you find an issue as a leader. Therefore, build up your emotional strength ahead of tough times or tough issues. A wise thing to do is to guard your weaknesses. They may make issues of management to appear difficult. Let's take a look at the strength of tough issues. By the strength of challenges or tough issues, we are referring to these key issues. Natural or inherited strength of the issues. That's point number one. Natural or inherited strength of the issues. This describes the very nature of the issue at hand. It is issue-based strength that cuts across all leaders. Number two, the natural weakness of the leader that impedes tackling the issues. This makes the tough issue difficult to handle, hence the strength attributed to the issue. This is relative strength, a leader-based strength. It depends largely on the prowess of the individual leaders. Number 3, the systemic challenges that impede or work against the likely solution. By its very nature, the issue can be tackled. The leader has what it takes, but the system does not favor an attack at the issue. This is organization-based consideration. And lastly, there are the external forces that frustrate attempts to tackle issues. When all the 3 above are available and suitable, the environment may still pose its own challenge. This is societal or environment-based factor. The essence of understanding the sources and strengths of tough issues is to inspire confidence, awaken leaders to prepare to confront the tough issues, and to gather needed resources to tackle them. No longer allow the thought of facing tough issues frighten or trouble you. You can face and conquer them. Thanks for tuning in to YLC, the platform dedicated to inspire young fellows to aspire to leadership from today. We hope to see you at the next session. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to this channel if you have not, so you can readily receive new videos from us. Thank you.